Okay, so image tag is used to display images in our web pages. Okay, in the browser, image tag is used to display images in the browser. And the syntax for image tag: syntax, image, and the source attribute, and height, width. Okay, and alt attribute. Okay, so this is the syntax for the image tag, and this all like a source and height, width, and alt. Okay, these four attributes are very important to display the image in the browser. Okay, source is the path of the image. Okay, we need to provide the path. Okay, provide image path here. And height is image height, and width image width, and alt attribute. This attribute is used to provide alternate text for the image. Okay, so if we don't have image, we can display the text. Okay, we can display the image name instead of image. So one example on image tag: open notepad, doc type HTML, HTML tag, header element, and body. In the body tag, we can use image tag and source equal to. So here, uh, copy the images. Okay, so we have insert image. Copy that image in our project folder. Project folder is HTML. Okay, so directly we can give the image name here, dot jpg. Okay, so we need to provide the image with the extension and height 200 pixels, width 200 pixels, and alternate text. Okay, alternate text is this. Okay, save this file with dot html, image element dot html. Okay, so here our HTML file is saved here, and on this example, okay, now image is displaying in the browser. Okay, we used image tag, and we provide the image path. Okay, desert.jpg, and height of the image and width of the image. Suppose remove the image path here. Okay, and save this and refresh this example. Okay, so here alternate text is displaying. Okay, if we don't have image, we can display the image name here using alternate text. Okay, alt attribute. Okay, so this is the image tag, and the next, links in HTML. Links in HTML. Okay, so HTML links are defined with a tag. HTML links are defined with a tag. Okay, so suppose if you want to do redirect from one page to another page, or you want to redirect from one website to another website, we can use these links to redirect the one page to another page or another website. Okay, syntax: anchor tag and href attribute, and close this. And here, suppose go to Google. In href attribute, http www.google.com. Okay, so when you click on this link, it will redirect to google.com website. Okay, so for example, open notepad, and doc type html tag, body. Okay, so use anchor tag and href http / www.google.com, anchor tag close. Click on me. Okay, save this links.html. Okay, go to that folder and open this. Okay, click on me. So if you click on this link, it will redirect to Google website. So if you want to display this website in another new window, okay, so here we can use target attribute. Target equal to blank. Okay, target equal to blank, so that it will open in new window. Click on this link. Okay, it is open in new window. So this is the anchor tags in HTML. Next, HTML attributes. HTML attributes. Okay, so every HTML element have attributes. In HTML, each and every element have attributes. Okay, so these attributes are used to provide additional information about an element. Okay, using attributes, we can provide additional information. Okay, additional information about an element. Additional information like nothing, like ID of the element, and name of the element, okay, and height of the element, and width of the element, uh, source of the element, and href, okay. So all these are attributes, class and style, okay, and number of attributes available, okay. So these attributes are used to provide additional information about an element. So for example, here you are implementing anchor tag, okay, anchor tag, a tag. So you are providing href attribute and target element also, okay, target attribute, okay. So this attribute, href attribute, is used to provide the path for the path to redirect, and target attribute is used to display in new element, new window, okay. And in image tag we are providing source attribute. The source attribute is used to provide the image path and the height of the image width and the alternate text, okay. Without source attribute we cannot provide the image path for the image tag, okay. So attributes are very important for any HTML element. Next, formatting elements. The formatting elements nothing but designed to display special type of text in the browser, okay. So these formatting elements were designed to display special type of text, special type of text in browser, okay. Special type of text in browser. Formatting elements like bold element, okay, bold and italic and deleted text format and mark text format and subscript and superscript and small text format, okay. So all these are formatting elements. A bold text format defines defined with b tag, okay, b tag. So this bold b tag is used to display text in bold, okay, used to display text in bold format, okay, bold format. So the example is use b tag, okay, to display the text in blue. So for example, uh, uh, HTML, okay. So this word will display in bold type. So for example, open notepad So use paragraph here, and this paragraph contains some information. Okay, this paragraph contains this content to display formatting elements.html. So in this example, you want to display this formatting elements in bold type. Okay, use, for example, first run this example, formatting elements. Okay, so total paragraph is displaying in same format. Okay, but we want to display the difference. Okay, apply here b tag, and here close b tag. Okay, these two words will display in bold type. Okay, so formatting elements is in bold format. And like this, italic text format defined with I tag. Okay, I tag, use it to display italic text format. Italic text format. Example, use I tag. This is HTML class. Okay, I tag. So this is HTML class display in italic text format. So copy this one and paste here. Okay, so run this example. Okay, total this text in italic text format. And the next deleted text defined with the del tag. Okay, del element, and this is used to display deleted text format. Okay, so this deleted text format, like uh, overline is applied for the text. Example, use del tag, paragraph, within paragraph. This is deleted text. Okay, for deleted word. Okay, use del tag. Okay, so overline is applied for deleted this word. So copy this one and paste here. And this is deleted text. Okay, overline is applied. This is deleted text. And next, markup text format. So markup text format is used to uh, highlight the word. Okay, for example, you want to highlight the a particular word in a paragraph. Okay, you can use mark tag. Okay, defined with mark tag. Okay, mark tag, and use it to highlight the highlight the text in paragraph. Okay, highlight the text in paragraph. So for example, paragraph, um, um, this is third HTML class. Okay, you want to highlight the third HTML. Okay, use mark tag. Okay, mark tag, so that third HTML is highlighted. Okay, in this paragraph. So copy this one. Okay, so now run this example. Okay, third HTML is highlighted. Okay, so if you want to highlight the word, or if you want to highlight the any text in the paragraph, you can use mark tag. So this is mark text format, and the superscript and the subscript. Subscript defined with the sub tag, and the superscript defined with the sup tag. Okay, so this is used to 10 square, like you want to display like a 10 square, 10 cube. Okay, sup paragraph. Okay, 10 square, sup. Okay, so this is display like a 10 square. Okay, so mathematical formats, and subscript display like in the bottom of the text. Okay, so it will display like this. And next is small text format. So defined with the small tag and use it to display small text format. So for example, use paragraph. This is small tag example. Okay, you want to display small is in smaller text. Okay, so run this first. Okay, so total text content is in same format. Okay, but you want to display small is in small text, use small tag. Okay, Okay, so this is small text. And next topic is, so these are the HTML formats. Okay, bold type text and italic text format, deleted text format, marked text, and the subscript, superscript, and marked text. And next one, HTML comments. HTML comments. So these comments are used to insert code description. Okay, code description in our source code. HTML comments are used to insert code description in the source code, and for example, if you don't want to use some block of source code. Okay, if you don't want to use or execute, okay, execute some block of code, some block of source code, you can put that code in comments. You can put that code in comments so that the browser will not execute that comments. Okay, so comments are not displayed in the browser. Comments are not displayed in the browser. Okay, so comment syntax. Comments start with less than, not symbol, and hyphen. Okay, and end with hyphen greater than. Okay, so this is the comment symbol. So for example, here I don't want to execute these two tags. Okay, I don't want to execute these two tags, superscript and subscript. So we can put these two paragraphs in comments. Okay, like this. Okay, comments start with this symbol and end with this symbol. Okay, so now these two paragraphs in comment, so that browser will not exclude these two paragraphs. So run this example. Okay, two paragraphs is not executed, and go to inspect. You can see that two paragraphs in comments. Okay, so paragraphs, superscript and subscript. These two paragraphs is in comments. Okay, if you don't want to execute some block of code, you can put that code in comments. Otherwise, you can insert your code description. Okay, you can explain your code. Okay, in real time projects, compulsory you have to explain your code. So this is the HTML comments. And next one is HTML list elements. HTML list elements. Okay, so in HTML we have two types of list elements. We have two types of list elements. Okay, list elements. One is order list and the second one is unordered list. Unordered list element. Okay, so first one, order list. Order list is a numbered list of items. Ordered list is a numbered list of items. Numbered list of items. Okay, numbered list of items. So in order list, okay, we have to use type attribute. We have to use type attribute. Okay, type attribute can be added to an order list. Can be added an order list. Okay, so here order list defined with order list defined with OL tag. Okay, OL tag, and use HTML type attribute to define the numbering type. Use type attribute to define the numbering type. Okay, so example, use OL tag OL tag, and in OL tag we have to use LA tag. LA tag means list item. Okay, so for order list, for every order list, okay, order list or unordered list, we have to use LA tag to add the list items. So for example, some cities names, you want to display some cities names. Okay, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, okay, Pune, okay. So you are displaying some cities names using order list. Okay, so you can write like this for order list, and to apply the numbering type, okay, use HTML type attribute for tag OL tag. Type attribute nothing but type attribute can take the values like type type equal to 1, okay, or type equal to caps A, or type equal to small a, or type equal to upper Roman, type attribute can accept lower Roman. Okay, so type attribute can accept all these values. Okay, it will apply the numbering type for all the list items. So for example, I want to apply upper Roman. Okay, so use cap sign. So for example, you open notepad, remove all these things, copy this and paste here. Okay, save this document as order list dot html. So here header element is list of city names, list of city names. Okay, run this example. So header is list of city names, and we used type attribute. Okay, type attribute with the upper Roman. So this is applied for all list items. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 upper Roman values is applied. Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune and Delhi. So if you use caps A, okay, it will apply all capital letters. Okay, A B C D E. Okay, up to A to Z, Z Z. And if you use small a, you will apply total small letters. Okay, if you use number 1, okay, it will apply numbers. Okay, so like this we can display the list of items using order list. Okay, next one is another list. So another list is a so this another list start with the ul tag. This list is start with the ul tag, okay, ul tag, and each list item start with the li tag. Each list item start with the li tag, li tag, and use the ul tag and with the li tag to create another list, and html style attribute to define the bullet styles. html style attribute to define the bullet styles. Okay, bullet styles. We have 4 types of list items, list style types. We have 4 types of list style types. We have 4 types of list style types available. Okay, so first one is list style type, disk, list style type, circle, list style type, square, and the fourth one is list style type, none. Okay, so these are the four types to provide the bullet styles for the list items. So for example, use this one. Okay, just use ul, and here use style attribute. Style equal to list style type. List style type equal to circle. Okay, anyone we can use disk, circle, or square, or none. Okay, list of city names using order list. Here use ul tag. Okay, an order list, and list style type. Okay, see here, this is another list, and this is order list, and this is another list. Okay, circle type is applied for each and every list item. Okay, so in this example we use style attribute, and list style type equal to circle. So if you use disk, okay, disk, you will apply bullet styles for list items. Okay, bullet styles. If we use here uh, disk, circle, and the square, okay, square boxes is applied. Okay, square boxes is applied. And if you use none, okay, no list style type is applied. Okay, only list items is displaying without any list style type. Okay, so these are the list style list type elements in HTML. And next one is HTML tables. Okay, HTML tables. So the tables are defined with the table tag. Tables are defined with the table tag. Okay, table tag, and end with the table is tag. Okay, and these tables are divided into rows and columns. Tables are divided into rows and columns. Okay, rows and columns. Rows defined with rows defined with tr tag. Okay, tr tag, and columns defined with td tag. Okay, rows defined with tr and the columns defined with td. So for example, open notepad and remove this table. Suppose if we want to display some employees information, okay, in table format, use table and tr. Okay, tr tag. So in table, this is first row. In first row, we can divide row into columns. Okay, td. Okay, how many columns we want, we can divide into that columns. td. Okay, td. Okay, so tr divide with 4 columns. First row divide with 4 columns. And second row also divide with same columns. Okay, in first row, display column names, so like first name and last name and email id and phone number. Okay, from second row onwards, employees information. Okay, first employee Arsha and last name D and email id arsha@gmail.com and phone number this one, and second employee information. Okay, Naveen. Okay, so we are displaying two employees information. Save this and run this example. Okay, tables. Okay, so this is displaying in table format. Okay, using css we can provide, okay, we can provide borders for the table, like in header tag use style tag. Okay, in style tag we can write some css properties for the table auto collapse, table tr td border 1 pixel, solid, black, okay, black color border. So this is the table format. Using CSS, we can provide like this borders for the table. Okay, so this is the HTML tables. Okay, tables in like this, we can use tables in HTML. The next one is okay.